Hi, this is J Trucker 717. This is part 2 of the video. I finally figured it out. Alright, let's start at the top. The Atlanta terminal is where I started at and I filled up at. And my mileage was 111,983 miles. At 70 miles per hour, I got to Love's in Lexington, South Carolina. And my miles, once I got to Love's, was 112 and 201,000 miles. Okay. The difference between those two mileage is 218 miles. So I traveled 218 miles from Atlanta to the Love's in Lexington, South Carolina. Okay, divided by the gallons that I got once I got to the Love's, because I was full at Atlanta, and then once I got to Love's, I filled up again. It was 37.845 gallons is what I filled, is what I put in the tank. And I divided that by the miles that I drove, and that was 5.76 miles per gallon. And again, this was a load that was 70,000 pounds heavy. And by the weight ticket. Alright, so now, my second part of the trip, I went from the Love's in Lexington, South Carolina, to the Petro in Florence, South Carolina, at 60 miles an hour, same load. The miles that I had again was 112,201 at the Love's in Lexington, South Carolina, and then at the Petro, once I got there, I basically went 100 miles. Okay, and divided that by the gallons that I put in there once I got to the Petro, it was 11.093 gallons. And again, look how much my miles went up to 9.02 miles per gallon. Wow, that's a big difference. Then what I did was I averaged about 2,800 miles per week. So what I figured out how much it would cost me at 9 miles per gallon. How many gallons would I have to use, and how much money it would cost me? And I figured 2,800 miles, and I'm getting 9 miles per gallon, and the gallons that I would have to use for 2,800 miles would be 310 gallons. Okay, so times that times the average fuel cost of $2.50 a gallon. Okay, the cost for that fuel for that 2,800 miles for that whole week at 9 miles per gallon would be $776.05. Okay, now let's go down to the second part. At 5.76 miles per gallon, 2,800 miles, same cost for the fuel, $2.50 per gallon. I would use up 486 gallons for that whole week. Okay, the total cost of my fuel for that whole week would be $1,215.28. Okay, now the difference between those two, okay, is $439.23. Again, if you control your fuel costs, that's an extra $439 in your pocket every week. So again, the power of 60. This is J Trucker 717. Peace. I'm out of here. I got freight to move.